In this video, we will learn about the Church, its organization and expansion. Check pages 38 and 39, the part 6 of the book. The role of the Church. Religion was present in all the aspects of the life during the Middle Ages, from birth to death. Rituals such as the baptism, the marriage, or the last rites regulated people's life. The Church influenced the political, the economic, and the cultural life. The political role of the Church. The Pope of Rome was the highest authority in the Roman Catholic Church. Remember that for the Orthodox there was the Patriarch of Constantinople. The economic role of the Church. The clergy were part of the privileged estates, so they collected taxes and provided justice in their lands. The peasants paid the church a special tax called the tithe, el diezmo, 10th part of a peasant's harvest. The cultural role of the church. Few people could write or read apart from the clergy. Monks, los monjes, copied manuscripts in the monasteries. The monasteries were places for culture. The church also ordered to build cathedrals and commissioned pieces of art. The organization of the church. The clergy prayed, taught Christianity, and administered the sacraments, such as the baptism, the marriage, or the last rites. Bautismo, matrimonio y extrema unción. There were two types of clergy. The secular clergy consisted of priests and bishops. They lived within the rest of the society. They provided religious services such as the Mass and the sacraments, la misa y los sacramentos. The regular clergy. They lived separated from the society. They lived in the monasteries. They were members of the religious orders, órdenes religiosas. Each monastery or convent belonged to a religious order. There were many religious orders: the Benedictines or the Cistercians, Benedictinos or Cistercienses. The monasteries followed a rule. Because of it, we called them regular clergy. The leader was the abbot, el abad. There were also religious orders for women. The expansion of the Christianity. Most of Europe was Christian in the Middle Ages. The Crusades were military expeditions to recover the Holy Land from the Muslims, Tierra Santa. Pope Urban II, Urbano II, ordered the First Crusade in 1095 to reconquer Jerusalem. Many Christian kings participated on it. There were more crusades on the 12th and 13th centuries. The military orders. They were groups of warrior monks that participated in the Crusades. Examples of military orders are the Knights Templar, Caballeros Templarios. Pilgrimages. Many Christians made pilgrimages, peregrinaciones, to visit the place where Jesus died, Jerusalem. There were other important pilgrimages: to Rome, where St. Peter died and the Pope lived, and to Santiago de Compostela in the Iberian Peninsula, where the Apostle James, the Apostle Santiago, was believed to be buried. And this is the end. Please do the survey and write down the doubts for the next day.